Hey guys, Austin here with Life Proof Grooming. Now today is going to be a really short video, but a pretty cool one. We're going to be talking about sea salt spray and how you can use it to style men's hair pretty easily. It's kind of interesting to think that sea salt and water, which are the two main ingredients of things like sea salt spray and some of the most abundant things on earth, has only really became available to the men's grooming market in the 1990s, like 30 years ago. Ultimately, sea salt spray is meant to give texture and volume to your hair, as well as gently clean and fortify it, almost as if it were a dry shampoo. But the important thing to note here is that sea salt spray, at least a high quality sea salt spray, is going to be far more than just a combination of salt and water. And here's an example of what I mean. If you use just salt and water to texture and style your hair, chances are you're actually going to be damaging your hair because salt dries stuff out. That's often why they use salt as a preservative, even since like ancient Egyptian times. So you're gonna need a little bit more with your sea salt spray in order to get the benefits of the styling and the hold that sea salt spray provides, as well as some of the moisturizing and cleansing benefits that keep your hair healthy and not so dried and crunchy. You're gonna wanna look for things like kaolin, which helps fortify your hair. You're gonna wanna look for things like sea kelp, which actually helps provide some more moisture to your hair as well as your scalp so it's not drying out your skin. Volt also contains things like activated charcoal as well as panthenol. Now panthenol helps promote elasticity and retains moisture so you're not drying out your hair as much. You can use a good amount of this and your hair will stay soft, it'll stay healthy, and it'll look natural. So fortunately for us, using sea salt spray is totally easy. Now if you haven't already noticed, look at this. I've got some pretty wild bedhead going on right here, and we're just gonna use some sea salt spray to fix this up super quick. Now imagine you looked like this in the morning, all crazy, right? Like you just rolled out of bed, maybe you don't have time to get a shower real quick before you have to make it to work, or I don't know, drop the kids off at school or whatever. And so you take a little bit of sea salt spray, you just gently shake it to mix the ingredient, you unlock the little tab right here, and you just begin by giving some light sprays to your hair, working it through with either your hands or comb. We generally prefer our hands because it gives you the most natural look, almost as if you just got out of like a surf session or something at the beach. So let's try this. Now you don't need too much. It's important to remember that sea salt spray is going to provide some styling hold as well. So whatever position that you keep your hair in and it dries in is the position it's going to keep pretty well throughout the day. It's a little bit hard to see myself in this camera right here, but hopefully I'm doing a good job. Oftentimes we like crunching our hair a little bit too to give it some of those waves. Fix it up a little bit more. Let me get this size around. And you can see that all the spikiness and the random hair kind of going everywhere has been mellowed out. It's all kind of uniform now, and it'll dry and stay this way. Now the thing I do really enjoy about sea salt spray in general is that your hair will feel natural. It's not gonna feel sticky. It's not gonna feel like you put gel or anything in it like that. You're gonna be able to run your hands through your hair pretty much throughout the day, and it's not gonna leave any sticky residue or anything on your hand. So hopefully that gave you guys a little bit of a backstory about what sea salt spray is used for, how easy it is to use when styling your hair, as well as what to look for in a good high quality sea salt spray that's gonna do the job without damaging or drying out your hair or the scalp. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Ring that bell icon to be notified every time we post another cool video. We've got tons coming out, and we've got some more influencers that are going to be on board. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video today. I will see you in the next one.